Do you want to know how to use lavender essential oil and how it can support you with processing emotions related to feeling unseen or unheard, and how it can be a great support tool when there is fear of public speaking or a sense of blocked communication? Stick around, and I'm going to teach you how to use this precious lavender essential oil to assist in supporting and processing emotions. I'm vanZ, and for the best beginner advice on emotions and essential oils, click the subscribe button and hit the bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video. If you're looking for ways to support and process emotions naturally, look no further. I am an essential emotions breakthrough coach, registered nurse, and certified body talk practitioner. And I will teach you how to control your emotions naturally so you can be seen and heard. Today, we're going to review Lavender's essential oils resume and how to use lavender essential oil to support and process emotions. Stick around until the end to hear how to get my essential oils emotional reference guide. Here's the flow for today. I'll start by sharing Lavender's essential oil resume from my favorite reference guide, the Essential Emotions book. This is the 11th edition. And I'll touch on then the negative emotions that it covers and positive properties of lavender. And last, I'll instruct you on how to use lavender. Lavender is known as the oil of communication and calm. Lavender aids in verbal expression and calms the mind. Specifically, it calms the insecurities that are felt when one risks their true thoughts and feelings. Lavender addresses a deep fear of being seen and heard. Individuals in need of lavender hide within, blocking their true self-expression. While they may be going through the motions of outward expression, they're actually holding back their innermost thoughts and feelings. The expression is not connected to the heart or soul. Lavender supports individuals in releasing the tension and constriction that stems from withheld expression. This bottleneck in communication can result in worried and racing thoughts, anxiousness, sleep disruption. Due to past experiences, they may feel unsafe or fearful of expressing themselves because of potential rejection. Often, they don't allow themselves space to get in touch with all they truly think and feel. Their true voice is therefore trapped within and goes unexpressed. Strong feelings of being unlovable, unimportant, or unheard can accompany this condition. Lavender essential oil encourages emotional honesty and insists that individuals speak their innermost thoughts and desires. As they learn to communicate their deepest thoughts and feelings, they are liberated from their self-inflicted prison. It is through open and honest communication that individuals have the potential to experience unconditional love, acceptance, and peace of mind. Through Lavender's courageous spirit, all are free to share their true self with others. The negative emotions that lavender is notorious for helping address include blocked communication, fear of rejection, constricted, tense, racing thoughts, emotional dishonesty, hiding, fear of self-disclosure, insecure, feeling unseen, unheard, or unloved. While the positive properties of lavender in view are open communication, calm, expressive, emotionally honest, self-aware, peace of mind. I'm so grateful for what this precious essential oil has done for me. In my high school years, I was that girl that would cry when getting up to speak in front of the class. I literally shook in my skin and rambled through my presentation with tears running down my face. I raced back to my seat as soon as I got to the end. Now look at me. I'm presenting to the world. Keep in mind that not all essential oils are created the same. And if you want results, there is only one brand that I stand behind after years of researching and discovering for myself that there is only one company that I can truly trust to keep me and my family safe. And while I'm thinking of it, I want to point out that you can go to the description field and grab a bottle of lavender essential oil with a gifted 1-year annual wholesale membership while time allows. This with that link in the description. Now let's talk about the suggested uses. Number 1, aromatic, right? So you can inhale it directly from the bottle. You can diffuse it. My diffuser's right here on the ground. I'm not going to grab it. You can drop a couple drops in your hands, rub your hands together, breathe them in. Number 2, you can put a couple drops in your hands, rub them on your throat, your temples, back and neck. Or number 3, put a couple drops directly under your tongue or in capsule or drinking water. Keep in mind that purity is extremely important. You don't want to use just any brand. You can see why you have to have a pure bottle of lavender within reach, right? If you can relate to this, type yes in the comments field. And remember to click the bell to let me know that you appreciated this content rather, and to make sure that you get notified every time I upload a brand new video. You made it to the end of how to use lavender essential oil to support and process emotions. And I bet you're wondering how to get my essential oils emotional reference guide. Go to the description field, and within that description field, there's a link that you can click for that free downloadable. Please take a moment to like, subscribe, and watch related videos.